Beautiful soul, the cards of the day are a few cards from the elves. The first elf brings signs from nature. Just try to find the signs around you in nature that nature sends you every day. They're always trying to tell you something, so just look around, just open your heart and be curious. The second elf brings in the moon energy. Surrender to the natural flow of life. And if you approach everything from a quiet state of mind, you will be okay. So just quiet your mind and relax and you'll be fine. The third elf brings in love and light. She brings love and light into your current situation. And if you're able to shine your light, then the darkness eventually will disappear. So these are very beautiful cards. Then I pulled a few butterfly cards because they always bring transformation, and I was in the mood for some transformation. This card says that life is treating you well. And the other butterfly card is this one. I do not compare myself to others. I am my unique and original self, and I do not need to be a copy of somebody else because I am happy just the way that I am. So life is treating you well and you can be your unique self. The last card I pulled was the Sun card, and yeah, this card asks you to shine like the sun and be happy. This card brings a lot of happiness and a lot of prosperity. So try to manifest your dreams and live from this state of heart, and you'll be okay. There we go. And as always, spread your sparkle. Bye-bye.